Hey you guys, so let's get on the topic of paper trading really quickly, because when you are paper trading, most people don't really take their paper trading serious. But I also want to bring this up. If you start to paper trade and the paper trading account starts you off for $500,000 or $1 million, which they likely will, don't start there. You have to start with what you will actually be trading with, or realistic amount. So if you're only looking to put 150, 200, 500, $1,000 into your actual brokerage account, start your paper trading there so that you are giving yourself realistic profits, loss, and you have realistic expectations based on the type of trades that you will actually be doing. Starting off with that $500,000, $1 million that they put into a paper trading account will probably have you opening very big position sizes, unnecessary amount of contracts that you wouldn't be getting in real life. And so when you do that, simply adjust that amount to something that you will actually be doing. So that way you're building your confidence up in your trading or in your testing of a strategy or a particular idea or level. You're building your confidence up with what you actually have, your actual risk tolerance. I will say this, if you do decide to keep a little bit more, open a trade for an amount that you actually will start with in your real account and open one for a little bit more. Maybe you had to go out of the money in real life, but in your paper trading, you're able to go in the money, deep in the money, open both. So you can compare your real world type trading versus if you were to go in the money or deep in the money, you can compare the amounts, the profits or the loss. So you can just kind of get a general idea, but don't just up and trade with that massive amount of money that you're not doing in real life, because if you do, you're likely not creating any type of real expectations for yourself in this game of trading. So just a quick video on that, because we see how paper trading starts us off with that massive amount. That's too much to play around with when you're not actually doing that for real, because now your expectations are all off. All of this video was about super quick to bring that up, because I see it a lot with a lot of my new students where they have their paper trade accounts with either E-Trade or Webull, Thinkorswim, Moomoo, and they have these massive $1 million, $2 million, $5 million in their account on their paper trading account, and they're opening these really big position sizes when their real account is only sitting with $150, $200, $500. Make them match so that you are building real expectation. And with that, I will see you guys in the next one.